to the left there.
Yep.
Right in the middle, on that big rock. That's the one right above that one. And the highest one.
Ah, that's out of bullets for that one. Okay. Put my ears on. That was awesome.
A lot of damage in 3 minutes.
You know, I wonder what that sign's made out of right there. The shotgun didn't do much to that sign. But that was cool. I like the long range stuff. I want to try to get a little bit more of that. If you can, just keep it rolling. Let me load this 10-round clip. And there's more of that long range stuff. That's got to be, some of those targets are 200 yards away. The one on the left there, I'd say that's a good 100 yards. Maybe a little less. No?
I think that's more than 200 yards. I mean, more than 100.
Let me get some more bullets in here. Yeah, you know, never.
Here, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna zoom in on those targets and, you know, get an idea how far they are. There's the closest one here, and it's not that close. There's that one.
I'm gonna go for that one on the left there because I like that one.
Alright, I got it zoomed in so we get reaction.
Cool. Right on, man. Right on.
All right, what we had there was the Benelli Nova 12 gauge. Then, of course, the Glock 19 and the Ruger 1022. That's the all-purpose digital. That's the 10 round tactical ink.com 25 round.
10, 25.
Right. And then we have the target here. Bunch of targets. Mark's getting the food ready.